My name is Rose Lejeune, and I'm an independent curator based in London. I'm currently one of the co-curators of the 2024 Aldariyah Biennial, focusing in particular on a performance programme. So for the performance programme, what we really tried to do was to take the idea of After Rain as a meeting point, something that was about cultivating and developing different kinds of languages around the ideas of growth and sustainability and community building, to really see the site of the biennial not just as a place where we encounter static objects, but also that we experience things together across multiple forms of duration. For me, what's really exciting about this edition of the Biennale is to be able to work at something at this scale with this number of artists, both in terms of a meeting point between artists from Saudi, from the region, more international, but also in particular to think about how artists are really interacting and engaging across different disciplines, working with scientists, engineers, different communities, the landscape in and around both Riyadh and Aldariyah in particular, to really create something that's a unique meeting point of lots of different voices and narratives.